Chapter 9. Code with Scratch 3.0. Scratch 3.0. Scratch is a block-based visual coding language developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. It is designed to introduce beginning coders to the logic of code. This program allows users to create web animations, games and interactive stories. It has a graphical environment to build blocks of code, thus making it easier to learn and use. It is an easy-to-use software. Creating a block stack. Select the block to be moved. Drag the block to the code area. Drop the block in the code area at the appropriate position. Extensions. Scratch 3.0 has a number of extensions that can be added to the block list. To choose an extension, press the purple button below the regular block sections. We can also connect external hardware like Micro, Bit, Lego Mindstorms, etc. with the help of the extension blocks in Scratch. Look at the 11 extension blocks in Scratch. Extensions in Scratch add extra blocks and features to our Scratch project. We can connect our computer to our hardware kit and run our script through them to give it a physical outlet. Make the sprite think, say and change look. The think and say blocks in the looks block category enable the sprite to think and express itself. This category also has blocks that help us change the look of the sprite. Let's learn to learn use of some of these blocks. Step 1. Click on the Looks block category in the Blocks palette. Step 2. Drag the Think block from the Blocks palette to the code area. Step 3. Drag the Say block from the Blocks palette to the code area. Change the words in the Say block to, Let me change my look. Step 4. Drag the Set color effect to block from the Blocks palette to the code area. Set the color effect value to 10. Click on any block on the stack and observe the actions of the sprite. We will notice that the sprite thinks, says the line, Let me change my look, and then changes its color. Similarly, we can use and blocks to change the size of the sprite. The blocks and can be used to display or hide the sprite on the stage. Make the sprite play music. Sound blocks allows to program the sprite to produce sounds or words that can be heard. Sprite can be made to play music or musical notes by using various blocks in the music extension. Blocks in the sound category can also be used to control the pitch and volume. Let's learn to make the sprite play some music. Step 1. Click on the Add Extension option in the lower left corner of the Scratch window. A number of extensions appear. Step 2. Click on the Music extension. We will see a new category Music gets added to the Blocks palette. Step 3. Use the blocks in the Music category to create the block stack and enjoy the music. Make the sprite speak. Scratch 3.0 has an exciting features that helps the sprite speak in different voices. We can make the sprite say words or play sounds by using various blocks in the Sound block category. Let's learn to make the sprite speak. Step 1. Click on the Add Extension option in the lower left corner of the Scratch window. A number of extensions appear. Step 2. Click on the Text-to-Speech extension. A new category Text-to-Speech gets added to the Blocks palette. Step 3. Use the blocks in the Text-to-Speech category to create the block stack. Now, Watch the sprite speak. Execute the block stack by clicking on it. The sprite speaks the text in the voice chosen using the block. Fact GPT. We can open a Scratch project by clicking on the File menu. Choose the Load from your computer option and select the project to open it. Recapitulate. Scratch is a block-based visual coding language developed by MIT. This is the programming language that allows users to create interactive stories, animations, games, etc. To make a project, blocks from the Blocks palette are dragged to the code area. The Think and Say blocks in the Looks block category enable the sprite to think and express itself. Sprite can be made to play music or musical notes by using various blocks in the music extension. Gloss GPT. Sprites, objects that perform actions in the Scratch project. Blocks palette, the set of various blocks which are categorized based on their functionality. Execute to run a program.